Hello, my name is Sergio Zamora. I'm going to talk to you about Guatavita Lagoon. This is the place that I decided to work on. And no more. Let's continue. As an introduction, I have to say that the Guatavita Lagoon is between Sesquile and Guatavita. They are so close to Bogota, 75 kilometers to the northeast of Bogota. They have two routes to enter: by Bogota to Calera, Huasca, and then Guatavita. Or we have also to the north of Bogota, autopist, north of Bogota, Briseño, Tucancipá, Gachancipá, and Sesquile. And then we can go to the Guatavita Lagoon. This is under the jurisdiction of CAR, that is the person who, not person, entity to take care of the Guatavita Lagoon. Now we go to the conclusion of the investigation. We have historical connection and cultural connection with Guatavita Lagoon, and also we have to say that this is a tourist point for us right now. As historical connection and as cultural connection, we have to say that in the past we, or our ancestors, made a lot of rituals in there. The leader of the tribus had to go to the center of the lagoon, and in there, as a gift to the nature, they just drop in the lagoon a lot of gold and a lot of other pieces that consider of high value. So this is important to know, that exists a Dorado legend in Colombia, and exactly on Guatavita Lagoon. Right now it's a tourist point because it's a piece of history of Colombia. As a learning or as a tips, we have to say that these kind of sites, the natural sites, have different impacts. In the case of the Guatavita Lagoon, we have that it has forests and a lot of water, but the impact and the main characteristic of Guatavita Lagoon is not this bridge of nature, is the meaning of connection with nature. I mean, in the past, how I said, we was too connected with the nature, and especially on this point. So I think that we can feel the magic of the lagoon, and we can use this to be more close to the nature. These sites are so close to Bogota, and we can visit it and connect to them. So this is all. Thanks.